Let's see what they can do.
Cool.
So hot, seizing me. So you're blue, but I can't take a chance on a chick like you. Oh, there's something I couldn't do. There's that look in your eyes. I can read in your face that your feelings are driving you wild. Oh, but girl, you're only a child. But I can dance with you, honey, if you think it's funny. Does your mother know that you're right? And I can chat with you, baby, flirt a little, baby.
They look like they're enjoying themselves, don't they? There you go. That's the Eton Roads doing their ABBA version. Tomorrow night it all happens for real. We've got 2 shows for you, 7:10, then just straight after the results at 8:55. We're going to have the losing contestant, the judges, and everything else that's happened on the night. It's going to be huge. Marky and I are going to rock out to ABBA. Have a great night. See you tomorrow.